is day number 100. And starting with a coffee, 100 days. Roll cup and a Danish. We are walking to breakfast along the road in South Lake Tahoe. We have these electric scooter things. Denny's, and this is for Timothea. Squish, say the word.
Calgary.
I don't know if that was anything different than the way I say Calgary.
Calgary.
But
Calgary.
Denny's breakfast is eggs and bacon and pancakes and fruit. Squish has country fried something, I don't know. I don't know what Loss is eating. I don't know, some sandwich. RITE-AID at the blood pressure machine. My blood pressure was normal. I'm sure Squish's is going to be normal as well. Hi. I have no idea. 50th anniversary this year of the PCT at the Carson Pass Visitor Center. Is inside the visitor center. Enjoy your hike, Sara. Oh, thank you, Mr. Eagle. That's very, very kind of you to say. No problem. Squish, would you like some canned treats?
Well, you know me, I always love some food.
Open it up. Be sure to stop at the visitor center here because you get a sticker, Carson Pass magnet, and a cold drink. Pretty. Keep catching up to these guys. Frog Lake. Whee!
Nah, stay there. Don't move. Wait, put your camera down.
It's a nice day and lots of doggies. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I forgot to turn my brake.
Nice view. And my old enemy again, snow.
Squish.
Whee! Ah! Super beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. Lots of great wildflowers. So many blooming. It's water time. Filming more dead lost photos up here in the wind. Super, super windy up here.
And then back of the neck. Oh, shit, hold on. Yeah!
There's some ducks there quacking. And I think we're gonna set up camp somewhere around here. The other guys are filtering water. I just grabbed my water bag and carried it like a BB, 0.4 miles, because by the creek, the mosquitoes were out of control, and I didn't put on bug spray. So that was my baby carry.
They are so nice. Oh.
You really like these clouds, Squish?